Hello, this is Aileen. I hope this PMP sample question helps you on your pursuit of your PMP credential.
You are excited to begin your new project. A request for proposal went out to 12 bidders. Only one bidder responded. His bid was priced almost 50% higher than your independent estimate. The most likely causes of this include all of the following except. So what might be a key word or phrase in the question?
Only one bidder responded.
Except.
One respondent.
And 50%.
Phrase. I'm going to say almost 50% higher. Okay. Independent estimate.
Yep.
Okay. So they're saying that 3 of these are a likely cause of why his estimate was so high, and 1 is not. So again, 3 of these are reasons why his estimate might be high, and 1 is not. What do you think about answer A? If our procurement statement of work is ambiguous, do you think that might lead him to estimate higher?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
the exception? No, so A wouldn't be the exception. Answer B, if he didn't fully respond to the procurement statement of work, meaning his response was different than what we were looking for, might that lead his response to be off or different than the independent estimate?
Yes.
Yes. Answer C, if he didn't fully understand our statement of work, might that lead his response to be different than our independent estimate?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go to answer D then, and we're asking is answer D the exception. The bidder submitted the price to ensure he would win.
He would bid lower if he thought he would win it.
Okay. Do you see? Answer D doesn't make sense because he bid higher than expected. If answer D was true, then he probably would have come in much lower than the independent estimate. Does it make sense that answer D is probably the exception here?
Hello, Aileen here again. I hope this sample question helped you. For over 1,000 more sample questions similar to this one, please join our self-study program online with Aileen.